We would like to thank our sponsors for making this last round possible. Ang dami-daming shows, domestic at international. Buti na lang we have Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, as our official airline.
Yes, I am Worldwide our official health and wellness partner.
And speaking of our shows abroad, ang daming Pinoy na nakakamiss sa Pilipinas. Kaya sila naman, may GCash Overseas Instant Padala, ramdamang instant pag-alaga.
Salamat din sa Litigio Subaw-Baw. Yes, and GJ's Chef Joy, Mr. Patatas, Ceviche, by his grace and grazing table, Tended and Porky's Haunting Dress, Cocktails to go and Java's Lechon. Solid Foods, Hikadon, Black Bean Cafe, Purple Yacht, Expert, Jam House of Sushi, Cone Pizza, Lil Arby's, Mini Donuts. Pinky Fernandez Bake Shop, Yaki, yes, Takoyaki, Finance Spring, Nakatangay Events and Management, A&W Tours, Unique to Top Pop, Hotel Solo CJ Clementa Printing, Services Aquasoft.
And of course, hindi mangyayari ito kundi dahil sa tulong din nila. Thank you to all producers! NY Excellence Production! Yes! At syempre, ang CMP Fields na talaga naman baka pa tayo kasama na natin. CMP Field Services Incorporation, especially to Sir Chief Baltazar. Hey!
Gusto din natin magpasalamat kay Susan Lim. Thank you so much.
To our show directors, Direct Nico Faustino and Direct Paula Valencia! Mahatik, simula 1999, bakit may taon? Simula 1999, nung nag-uumpisa pa lang kami, bata pa lang din kami noon, kagaya nyo. Hanggang sa pagkakataong ito, napakarami namin gustong pasalamatan. At kayo, mga pinalaki ng sex